So according to the plane 1 1 1 plane, here h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1, l is equal to 1. For this case I am drawing the one cubic structure. This can be taken as origin. In this direction I am taking x, in this direction y, in this direction z. So along x direction 1 k 1, nothing but you can take 1 1 1. I am taking the unit cube. So based on these 3 points, the 3 points are combined one by one like this. There existing a triangular plane. That plane and the Miller indices are 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this plane is 1 1 1 plane. According by basic on Miller indices, I am drawing the plane in 3-dimensional point of view 1 1 1 plane. That is the first how to draw a lattice plane in the cubic crystal. After that, you can take one more example. If the plane parallel to x and y axis and the intercept along z axis, along z direction or z axis is 1 unit, then the structure of the plane is, then the structure of plane. So for this case you can take one cubic structure like this. So according to data, they are giving which the plane is drawn, that plane must be parallel to two axes are given. Suppose I am taking the directions x direction, y direction, z direction. So this is the plane. According to the given data, the plane is parallel to both x and y axis. For particularly x and y axis parallel, so parallel can be taken as, parallel is nothing but those intercepts along x direction, intercept can be taken as a is equal to infinity. A is equal to infinity, and along y direction b is equal to infinity. B is equal to infinity. Then Miller indices of this plane along z is equal to C is equal to 1. Miller indices are H, K, L. Nothing but 1 by infinity. Here z axis 1. So y is parallel 1 by infinity and 1 by 1. 1 by infinity value is 0, 0, 1. So according to Miller indices, the plane is 0, 0, 1. So along x 0, along y 0, along z is only 1. So you can draw the plane must and should be parallel to both x and y axis. Both x and y axis. So this is x axis. So you can draw the plane like this, left side face. This plane does not touch the, particularly does not this one. Does not touch the both x and y axis. So you can take the front face, particularly this point of view, front face, nothing but this one. This plane does not touch both x and y axis, nothing but this plane is parallel to both x and y axis. So this plane Miller indices are 0, 0, 1. So that is the drawn the Miller indices based on the lattice planes. So lattice planes can be drawn like this. You can take one more example based on that way. Based on that way. Third one, if the plane parallel to x and z axis along y direction, their intercept is 1 unit. Then draw the lattice plane. So for this way you can take one cubic structure like this. In this cubic structure you can show their crystallographic axis, x axis, y axis and z axis. So these are the three crystallographic axes. According to data, the plane is parallel to x and z direction. Parallel to x and z direction is nothing but their intercepts can be taken as infinity. Nothing but a is equal to infinity, b is equal to infinity, b, not b. Here giving z direction. Z is nothing but c is equal to infinity and b is equal to 1. So based on this, Miller indices can be taken as HKL is equal to 1 by infinity, 1 by 1, 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value is 0, 1, 0. So the plane is 0, 1, 0. Along x direction there is no unit 0. Along y direction there is the y. Along z direction there is no. So this plane, what the plane is drawn, that plane must and should be parallel to both x and z direction. You can take the top face like this. This plane is, what is the plane? That 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 plane. This plane is parallel to both x and y direction. So in this similar way, you can draw any lattice plane based on Miller indices. In cubic structure, I am drawing one more plane. You can take one more example, that is 1, 1, 0 plane. You can take 1, 1, 0 plane. For this case, you can take one cubic structure. And crystallographic axis, x direction, y direction, z direction. You can draw the Miller indices. H is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 and z is equal to L, HK, L is equal to 0. Depending on this, 1 by 1 is nothing but along x direction 1 unit, along y direction 1 unit. 1 by 0 is nothing but the intercept is infinity. So parallel to this plane is nothing but parallel to z axis. So you can draw these 2 points in a similar way. This point, you can take this point. So this plane is 1, 1, 0 plane. This particular plane parallel to which axis? Z axis. The plane is 1, 1, 0 plane. In a similar fashion, you can draw one more 0, 1, 1 plane. So here 0 is there, nothing but x intercept is infinity. So this plane is parallel to x axis. You can draw one cubic structure. And their crystallograph axis x, y, z. Along x direction infinity, we are not indicating. Along y direction 1 unit. Along z direction 1 unit. In a similar way, this point and this point. You can draw the plane based on these 4 points. This is the plane parallel to which plane? Particularly x axis. This plane Miller indices are 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 plane is parallel to x axis. So these are the planes we can draw easy way by based on Miller indices. Based on Miller indices. In this way you can practice number of planes. You can take any plane. So according to Miller indices, you have one Miller indices. Based on Miller indices, you can explain the lattice planes. So Miller indices not give the exact plane. Suppose you have the sixth one. You have the one more plane. 1, 2, 3. Plane is there. This is the 1, 2, 3 plane is there, which is nothing but lattice plane. Which gives the exact lattice plane or not is nothing but Miller indices not giving exact, not giving exact plane in the crystal, but which plane, this plane gives the family of the planes, family of the parallel planes, particularly family of the parallel planes. What's that? You have the value is given by the Miller indices are 1, 2, 3, this plane. Again you can multiply it with 2, 4, 6. Next 3, 6, 9. Next you can multiply it with 4, 8, 12. These are all are planes, lattice planes. But based on their Miller indices, these all planes have same Miller constants. Nothing but these all planes. These are the 4 different planes. These 4 different planes has the same Miller indices HKL. So HKL is nothing but smallest integers. You can cancel with 2, 1, 2, 3. You can cancel with 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So Miller indices is these complete family set of planes as Miller indices is completely 1, 2, 3. This set of planes has Miller indices is 1, 2, 3. So Miller indices always gives the complete value of parallel plane settings. So familiar. So according to these Miller indices, presently we are drawn only positive planes. What about negative planes? There is no negative planes existed or not? So within the crystal structure, there existing the negative planes also. So for negative planes, 7th one, particularly for negative planes, Miller indices can be indicating, Miller indices are indicating with negative values. Suppose the positive Miller indices are HKL. Complete negative Miller indices can be taken as H bar, K bar, L bar. Only in X direction negative is existed. Only for X direction you can represent as H bar, K, L. H bar, K, L is the negative direction of Miller indices. Suppose you can draw 1 bar, 0, 0. 1 bar is nothing but negative. In which point particularly in crystallographic axis is particularly along X direction. You can draw the one crystal. You can draw the one crystal like this. You can take crystallographic axis. This can be taken as X, Y and Z. 0 is nothing but their intercept is 0. Nothing but this plane is parallel to both Y and Z axis. Each and everyone knows 0 is nothing but their intercept is infinity. So this plane, what the plane is drawn, that plane is must and should be parallel to Y and Z axis. So this is X axis. You can go in backward like this. in backward like this, that plane is called as, this plane is called as minus x. So in backward, particularly in backward plane can be taken as negative x-axis. So in backward plane can be taken as negative x-axis. So you can draw the plane. What the plane? This is y, parallel to y and z axis and in negative direction. So you can taken as, you can draw the back side one, based on this one like this, like this. This face is 1 bar 0 0, which is parallel to both y and z axis. In a similar way, you can draw any one, either positive planes or negative planes or combination of positive and negative planes. In this way, you can draw the lattice planes based on Miller indices. This is the complete information about your Miller indices. So after completion of Miller indices, you can deduce what are the intercepts based on Miller indices. What are the intercepts based on Miller indices? This value must be calculated in our next class. So in our next class, we are discussing the how to calculate the intercept along the crystallographic axis, nothing but A, B, C, how to calculate based on the Miller indices. After completion of this, you can draw the different lattice planes in crystal structure. Different lattice planes based on Miller indices, based on intercepts. And one more topic is pending, that is called as, you can determine the interplanar distance. What is interplanar distance? The distance between successive lattice planes. Then the distance is called as interplanar distance, which is indicated by letter small d. That value. These three topics are discussing in our next class. So up to that one, you must learning what are Miller indices, how they are calculating step by step. After calculation is known, how they draw the lattice planes in the crystal structure based on Miller indices. You can draw one by one in this way. So each and everyone must learning this topic very clearly and draw different structures as you wish. You can take any number like as 1, 9, 10 as a wish. You can 1, 9, 10. Based on that one, you can take the crystal size is 9 units or 10 units based on that one. So on that way, you can calculate the Miller indices. So particularly, I am drawing the Miller indices with respect to, I am taking unit cube. Particularly, I am taking unit cube. Unit cube is nothing but A equal to B equal to C equal to 1 unit only. Based on Miller indices, you can take this one. So after completion of the how the intercepts are calculated, based on that one, even our next class is completed. So each and every point is well known, particularly in Miller indices. Do it very fastly. Okay.